I'm going to solve this equation using the addition, or also known as the elimination method. So there are three basic steps. The first step is we need to make sure the terms are lined up, which they are. We have the x's, we have the y's, both on the same side. We have the equal, and then we have the constants. The next step is we need to create opposites. So you need to pick either the x terms or the y terms to make them opposites. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the y terms. And I see that if I take this -2 and I multiply it by a +2 right here, then I would have -4y, which these two would be opposites. So I'm going to multiply the whole top equation by 2. So 2 times 3x is 6x, and then 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and combine our equations. So 6x plus 5x is 11x. -4y plus 4y, that's 0. 14 plus 8, that's 22. And now we're going to divide both sides by 11. And we get that x equals 2. So if we write our answer as an ordered pair, x goes first. And now we need to get our y value, so we need to go back to the original problem here. Pick one of the equations. I'm going to go ahead and go with the bottom equation. And I'm going to plug in the 2 for the x. And now solve this for y. So 4 can't divide evenly into -2, so we would simplify it. A negative divided by a positive is a negative, and 2/4 simplifies to 1/2. So we would get our y is -1/2. So now we're going to check our answer, and we're going to plug in 2 for x, and we're going to plug in -1/2 for y. Now, if we would rather work with decimals, we could instead write our solution as 2, -0.5. Now simplify. And we see that our solution is correct in the first equation. And it also works in the second equation. So therefore we know that this is correct.